Hello and welcome. If you intend to increase the mechanical power of a motor in POUYA, you can do this by just left-clicking on that motor. You can now witness on the screen that by a left-click on an induction motor, the mechanical power of that motor is increased by 5%. The original power of that motor is also shown in the message box above the network window. By each left click on the motor, the mechanical power is increased by a further 5%. The electrical power of the motor will also increase as the result of the increase in the mechanical power. This allows you to control the consumption of the motor in real time. If you increase the mechanical power up to a certain point, the protective device will operate. This occurs because of the overload in the circuit. The red symbol on the screen symbolizes the operation of the protective device. If you want to see the line being switched out on your network, you can just press E on your keyboard or just press the redraw icon on top of your window. This will show a dotted line and a yellow symbol. The yellow symbol symbolizes that the protective device is in need of resetting. You can also decrease the mechanical power of the motor by right-clicking on that motor. You can reset the protective device by left-clicking on that device, or you can just reset all the protective devices together by clicking the reset icon on top of the window. To zoom out of a window, you just put the cursor out of that window and press Z. To zoom in another window, you put the cursor in that window and press Z again. Now that we're zoomed in a generator's window, we can increase the power of that generator by left-clicking on that generator. We put the cursor on top of the generator icon and left-click on it. This will show a message saying that the governor has been altered, and you can see the power of the generator increasing. The message box above shows that the governor has now changed the power from 0.16 to 0.17, while the voltage remains the same. By more left clicks on the generator symbol, the power output of that generator is increased even further. This will continue until the set point of the governor is matched. You can decrease the power output of the generator by right-clicking on the symbol of that generator. This feature allows you to have control over the governor action in real time. You can also have control over the voltage at the terminals of the generator. This can be done by left or right-clicking on the bottom of the generator symbol. This allows you to have control over the AVR action in real time. As you can witness now on the screen, by left or right clicking, the voltage is changed. The voltage, which was once 1.03 per unit, is now 1.02 per unit. You can also access the governor block diagram. This can be done by pressing T on top of the generator icon. By pressing T, you will be redirected to a page where the block diagram of the user-defined equipment model of the governor is. While the blocks are also visible, there are also blue values which show the real-time output of each block. The reference point of the block diagram can be changed in this page. To return back to the network page, you just need to press X. This will return you to the simulation screen, where you can see the effects of the changes you made. To access the AVR block diagram, you just need to put the cursor on the bottom of the generator icon and similarly press T. After this, you will be redirected to a page where the block diagram of the AVR is. To return back, you just need to press X again. Thank you for listening. That is all for today.